Vehicle customization is really big business in the car industry. People spend billions and billions of dollars every year to pimp out, to jazz up, to accessorize their cars, trucks, and SUVs. For example, like this 2019 Toyota RAV4. What did we do to this one? This is a 2019 Toyota RAV4 LE. This is the entry level, and this was also the year that Toyota redesigned the RAV4. So it's taller, sportier, more rugged, more in your face, but it's very versatile. You can do so much with this as far as seating with your family and things like that. But I believe in personalization, making it your own. My customer and good friend Sohail went ahead and bought this, but he wanted to do more with it. So he added body side moldings and splash guards and wheels. And guess what? Something else, a hood blanket. In 2019, RAV4 has the gasoline version and also the hybrid version. Hybrid RAV4s all have hood blanket protection, but the gasoline models do not. Toyota looked at that, and they also made some changes of their own for the 2020 model. You'll find a hood blanket on the 2020 RAV4s, all of them. Some people thought that perhaps road noise might be attributed to not having a hood blanket for the gasoline. So we've had quite a few requests actually to update that with a hood blanket kit. So let's take a look what we did here. Look at this, hood blanket. By the way, this 2019 RAV4 only has 1,900 miles. It is what we call in the business a cream puff. It's beautiful. But look at this hood protection now. Some people attribute this, like I said, to lowering sound that might be coming from the engine. So perhaps this will help. It also finishes it off where it has that Toyota fit and finish. It looks great. It looks like it's supposed to look.
Hi, just stopped by to say hi to Jeff, and I wanted everyone to know I picked up this beautiful water bottle from Amazon. It's helping me keep track of my water needs and obviously my diet as well.
Now we're going to take a look at three things right here. One is the wheel package, one is the body side moldings, and then one will be the mud guards or the splash guards. First of all, the wheels. Wheels make a big first impression with people when they see a new car, truck, or SUV. It just draws your eyes right to it. So instead of the traditional metallic wheels, the X series, we've added these 17-inch wheels. They're two-tone, like a blackish, and then metallic, silver. Boy, that really changes the look of an LE RAV4. The other thing we've added, splash guards or mud guards. They hang down just a little bit. They make the vehicle, I think, look a little bit sportier, a little bit more finished off, and they trap or catch any rock or tar or gravel or mud or snow or anything like that, and they catch it so it's not gonna spit across your paint and perhaps scuff it or chip it or scratch it. You don't want that on your new car. That's the most depressing thing in the world to have happen, I swear. And then look at these body side moldings. They're not exactly color keyed, just like magnetic gray, but they're actually a two-tone. They certainly add to the look of the vehicle if you like that look, but they also protect it too. Certain vehicles with their heights, when they open up car doors in a parking lot like a grocery store or a parking structure, it may hit that strip and not scratch your paint. So there's the benefit there. The other accessory that we added to the vehicle is on the inside. It's the AllWeather Mats. This is a one-piece design. Goes all the way across. So that way people with shoes on in the rain or mud or dirt, it won't get tracked onto the floor. You can actually just take it out and spray it off, which is a big benefit there. Boy, what a beautiful car. It keeps this car in such great shape. Thanks for letting us use it, Sohail. Yeah, if you like how they look, I love AllWeather Mats. They keep it clean. So let's get your thoughts on this one. What accessories do you like? Would that be of benefit to you to add a hood blanket to your 19 RAV4? And then what other accessories would you want added to the vehicle to just finish it off? And again, like I always say, to make it your own. Holla! Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. You'll be part of my Toyota community. Follow my stories at torquenews.com/Toyota. You'll find me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. I'm everywhere. I'm in the process of updating and redesigning my website, so you can check that. It's still there, toyotajeff.com. You'll see pretty soon some of my partners that I work with as far as products, car covers, and mats, and lighting, and parts and accessories. Lots of goodies there, plus my Amazon shop. You'll find all the products I think are top picks that maybe you want to consider. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.